Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can freeze column in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data in my Google Sheets, and for example, I'm going to first the first column. And if we want to do that, we can select the first column like this, and we're going to go to the view option and select freeze, and I'm going to select one column. Okay, and as you can see, now my first column has been freezed, and I'm going to give you another example. I'm going to freeze two columns, two first column. So I'm going to select two column, or we can actually just select the second column we want to freeze like this, and then click on view, freeze, and two column. Okay, and now my first two column have been freezed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to freeze column in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.